Welcome to our channel. If you want to upgrade your Notion account to Plus or other premium plans to unlock additional features and storage, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete subscription upgrade. Step 1. Log in to your Notion account on the Notion website or desktop app. Step 2. Click on Settings and Members in the left sidebar to access your workspace settings. Step 3. Select the Upgrade or Plans tab to view available subscription options and pricing. Step 4. Review the different Notion plans available, including Plus for individuals, Business for teams, and Enterprise for large organizations. Step 5. Compare features across plans. Plus includes unlimited file uploads and version history, while Business adds advanced collaboration tools and admin controls. Step 6. Click Upgrade or select Plan on the plan that best fits your needs. Step 7. Choose your billing cycle. Notion offers both monthly and annual subscriptions, with the annual option providing a discount. Step 8. Enter your payment information, including credit card details and billing address. Step 9. Review the subscription terms, pricing, and renewal date before confirming your purchase. Step 10. Click Subscribe or Upgrade Now to complete your upgrade and activate premium features. Step 11. Verify your upgraded status by checking your workspace settings. The plan name should now reflect your new subscription tier. Step 12. Explore new premium features available with your upgrade, such as increased file upload limits, unlimited version history, and advanced permissions. Step 13. Check your email for confirmation from Notion with your subscription details and receipt. Step 14. If upgrading a team workspace, inform your team members about the new features available with the upgraded plan. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.